What happens when you mix varnish with cement? Sounds unusual, doesn't it? But the result might just surprise you. Most people never think of combining these two materials, yet together, they create something quite unique. Let's see what really happens when chemistry meets creativity. Start by gathering your materials: varnish, cement, a clean bowl or cup, and a stick or brush for mixing. Always work in a ventilated space. Varnish gives off strong fumes. And of course, wear gloves and a mask to stay safe. Pour 2 or 3 spoonfuls of cement into your mixing bowl. This will be the structural base, giving the coating thickness and durability. If you've ever handled white cement, you know how silky and smooth it feels, ideal for finishing surfaces. Quick question: where are you watching from? We love connecting with creators from all over the world. Comment your country below and tell us what you'd coat with this waterproof mixture. Now, let's observe the reaction. As you stir, the polymers in the varnish begin bonding with the cement particles. This forms a flexible but solid compound that dries into a waterproof layer, unlike regular cement that soaks up moisture. That's what makes this mix great for sealing walls, garden pots, or outdoor structures. You'll notice the surface slowly turning glossy, not something you usually see with cement. Use a brush or spatula to apply a thin layer over the surface. It spreads easily and evenly, thanks to the varnish texture. Within minutes, it begins to firm up, leaving behind a faint sheen. As it continues to cure, it becomes denser and even more water repellent. After about 15 minutes, the transformation is clear. The surface is smooth, glossy, and completely sealed. The varnish locks every particle of cement in place, filling microscopic gaps and forming a tough, mirror-like finish. This simple DIY coating can protect and beautify almost anything, low cost, easy to make, and surprisingly strong. Just a quick reminder, varnish is flammable and has heavy vapors. Keep it away from heat, use it outdoors if possible, and wash your tools right after mixing before it hardens. Safety first, then let your creativity flow. So, what do you think? Are you more impressed by the glossy finish or the waterproofing power of this mix? Let us know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe, because the next experiment will be even more unbelievable.